In this video, we will give you an overview of internal financial controls, briefly talking about what are internal financial controls and what are some of the key benefits of implementing an internal financial control (IFC) framework. First, let's begin with what are internal financial controls. Internal financial controls (IFC) are policies and procedures adopted by a company to ensure orderly and efficient conduct of its business, accuracy and completeness of the accounting records, and timely preparation of reliable financial information. The Companies Act, 2013 introduced the IFC requirement for listed companies by making the Board of Directors, Audit Committee, and the independent directors responsible for laying down IFC and to confirm on adequacy and operating effectiveness of the framework for IFC. Key sections to evaluate the regulatory expectations for IFC are Section 134 for the Board of Directors, Section 177 for the Audit Committee, Schedule 4 for the independent directors and Section 143 for the auditors. The auditors of a company are also required to state in their audit report whether the company has adequate internal financial controls in place and give opinion about the design and operating effectiveness of such controls. This requirement applies to all companies, other than small company and one-person company, primarily, companies with turnover greater than Rs 50 crores or borrowings greater than Rs 25 crores. For more details you can check the guidance note on audit of internal financial controls over financial reporting issued by the ICAI. Now, sharing a brief about the benefits of implementing Internal Financial Control (IFC) framework. It ensures the reliability of financial reporting and the preparation of financial statements in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. It provides reasonable assurance that transactions are recorded accurately and authorized by management and directors, and that the company's assets are protected from unauthorized use or loss. It delivers a critical competitive advantage by attracting investors and complying with regulatory requirements. It enables the use of data analytics and digital technologies to improve internal control culture, and enable continuous monitoring and oversight. It helps in business process redesigning, rationalization of controls, and standardization of policies and procedures. For more details, check out our channel videos.